Do you know the I woke up like this kind of skin is actually achievable? Oh yes, it is. You need to keep watching this video to see the most natural way to achieve a glowy, healthy skin. Keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Folu Daniels. As usual, I want to say thank you for tuning in today. I really want to thank you for your support so far. I do not take any of that for granted. So I want to believe you are keeping safe, and to my fellow Nigerians, it took me a while to put myself together to come here today to actually do this tutorial. Honestly, it took me a whole lot of courage, honestly, but we still have to do what we have to do. I know a lot of people will be expecting the weekly video as usual, so I can't let you guys down. So that's why I'm here. So please allow me to I will try to keep up with high spirit, high energy and all that, but so today we are going to be talking about something very, very interesting. I mean, very interesting. Let me tell you how I came up with, discussing this topic today. I've heard a lot of people. Now, let me blush before I say what I want to say. I know, right? No, it's not pride, but I want to thank you all. Everybody, most times I get to hear people tell me, Follow, you've got a very beautiful skin and all of that. Oh, no, allow me to blush. Yeah, I do not take that for granted. I appreciate the love. In my last video, usually when I post stuff online, maybe on Instagram and all of that, I hear people tell me that, oh, you've got a nice skin and all of that. So I thought, okay, it's good to share the good news, right? So today I'm going to be sharing one of my top secrets that I decided to, how do I say this word? I decided to bring back into my routine, and then I've got so many tips to tell you guys today. So you really need to wait till the end of this video because I'll be sharing a lot of tips. I mean, the things I've actually experienced, honestly. This is not what somebody said or somebody said on YouTube or this is something I experienced myself. And experience is the best teacher, right? So I'm not going to be coming up with something someone told. This is something that I personally experienced, and I'm sure by the time you finish this video and you try out all of my tips, maybe tricks, I don't know, I'm sure you will have, Okay, let's go right into the discussion. So I'm going to be telling you a story again. Yes, I love to tell stories because every of my tutorial is always based, tutorial or discussion is always based on something happening and then all of that. And because there's always a reason for every tutorial or every discussion I'm going to be bringing on this channel. So, I'm going to make sure it's so real. It's something everyone can relate to and relate with and all of that. So now this story happened far back in 2010. Now let me tell you what happened. My older sister was going to be getting married in the year 2010. And of course, I was privileged to be the chief bridesmaid. And me, I love a lot of paparazzi. I like my skin to look nice. I like my dresses to look on point. I love, they used to call me a yogi back in school. Yeah, so, it was so funny that I was really preparing to slay, both with my outfits, skin-wise and everything. I needed to go represent, as per chief bridesmaid. Lo and behold, I went to the store to get some, like nice facial scrub, all of those things, how you want to make your skin glow and all of that. So I tried this particular product. I can't even remember the name. It's been a long time, 10 years ago, I said. I went to the store and I bought this particular product. I applied it and I reacted to this particular product. I had some few rashes and all of that. And if I've got any rash on my face, I must see to it that all of the rash must disappear, like by fire, by force. I'm that kind of person. So I became so worried and I kept buying a lot. So when I used the first product and that one messed me up. And then, how you want to keep buying product just so you can rectify the damage that has already been done by another product. So I ended up buying a lot of products. In fact, my corner at that time, you would think I was actually selling some cosmetic products. It was that much. That was how I kept buying. And you know the funniest thing? None of them worked. None of them worked. So, you know, it became so bad. You know, this thing that I'm telling you that I'm laughing about right now was something that I dealt with. You know, it was so bad that I wouldn't find it like comfortable talking to someone and I'm looking at the person eyeball to eyeball. It was that terrible because because immediately I discovered that I had those infections, those rashes, reactions, and I started using other products to kind of rectify that damage. It became so worse, like it became worse. And I wish I could get you the picture for you to be able to appreciate this story. This tutorial, the discussion we're going to be doing today. It was terrible. I'm sure some of my sisters will remember what happened. It was terrible. I had a lot of acne. It was so terrible. It was bad. So I was always looking out for what to do. I kept buying products. And then it became so bad that one day, you know, then I was in school actually. So I was in the library one day and then there's this girl, very pretty girl, fresh skin, fresh, you know. So, you know, I was always looking at this girl like, how come this girl has this kind of nice, flawless skin? Now look at me. It was terrible that I don't know if it led to a form of low self-esteem or something, I'm not sure, but it was terrible that you will be talking to me like this. I'll probably be looking at the sky or your shoes or be touching my nails just because I would, by all means, avoid eye contact. So that day I got talking with this girl and I was like, you know, what do you do to your skin that makes it this flawless and very nice and clean? She shared a secret with me and I'm very grateful. You know, a lot of people will not even tell you what they do. You just say, I'm just using Ori. You know what Ori is? It's shea butter. I think it looks like everyone is now using shea butter, right? Nobody wants to share their secret. No, I'm not like that. We all should glow together. Yeah, this lady shared a secret with me. And if you can see me, I don't want to mention your name. I want to say thank you for giving me your beauty secret, and you know it worked, and now I want to share it with the whole world. Who is ready for the big reveal? You know, it's so funny that some of the things that we don't even pay attention to are the major things we really need in our lives, honestly. Now I want to show you. Who is ready? Ta-da! Can you believe this? Only this works magic. If I tell you magic, you can see how but honestly, trust me, this thing right here is magic. Now, let me tell you exactly what you need to get this clear. All you need is this carrot. That's it. That's it. You need your carrots, you need your grater, and you need your hands and your skin. Yourself, your body. That's all that you need. Trust me. This thing works. Okay, let me tell you some of the benefits of carrots. You can go do some more research, but I'm just going to be giving you some few benefits of using carrots on your face, on your skin, your entire body, and all of that. So carrot helps to get rid of blemishes, scars. It helps to repair skin tissues. It helps you, it protects your skin from the sun, radiation. It prevents you from, having wrinkles, so many health benefits. And above all, your skin will be so flawless. It's going to glow. It's going to make your skin brighter in the most natural way. Honestly, I don't know how much I don't know if anybody has tried this, but everything I'm going to be telling you, trust me, like I said, I have experimented. I have used this particular thing called carrot. and it has worked wonders. You know, so many times I don't even remember to do it, to use it, because, you know, laziness, you know, tired. But I just remembered it recently, and I'm like, you know, I have to tell people it's that easy. You don't have to break the bank to get a flawless skin. So you need to wait till the end of this tutorial. We implore you to please wait till the end of this tutorial to get all the tips I'm going to be sharing with you on how to achieve a flawless, glowy skin in the most cost-effective way using just your carrots. Now I'm just going to be showing you how to prepare your carrots to put on your skin, and you know, it might be your face. It depends on wherever part of your body that you want to apply the carrot to. So let's go right into the kitchen. Let me show you how I prepare my carrots to be used on my skin. So like I said, I'm going to be sharing some of my personal tricks, the ones I discovered. So after you've prepared your carrots, all you need to do is to ensure, very, very, very importantly, please don't apply your carrots on a dirty skin. Please ensure that you have a bath. If you want to put the carrots on your skin, like all over your body, please make sure you have a bath. And if you're going to be applying just on your face, please ensure that your face is clean, and then you go ahead to apply it on your face. Like I said, please make sure your skin is clean, or your face is clean, or whatever part of your body you want to put it is clean. You know what I mean? How you have leftover and then you put it in the fridge and say you want to use it the second day. I personally did not do that, so I don't know if that would also work, but I was always doing it on a daily basis. Yes, I was that ready, like, to have that flawless skin, because I needed to represent, you know, that word. I wouldn't, hey, honestly, I got to work. I was literally doing this thing every day, every day. In fact, at some point, my mom became she would remind me any day I'm like tired, I don't want, she said, oh, you've not, because everyone was so used to me doing that every day, right? So you have to be consistent. That leads me to my next point. Please, consistency is key. There is no magic anywhere. If you need to get something, you have to put in the work. Honestly, I cannot overemphasize that, because you can't say you want to use something and you are not committed to doing it the right way or doing it consistently. I mean, and you expect that you get a result. Please, I would suggest, and I will implore you to like be diligent. If you want to, you can just dedicate a week. Even from the very first night that you apply this carrot, you will see the result. Honestly, you will see the result. It's not as if you have to wait till like 3 months. No, immediately you will feel the result. So if you want more results, you have to keep being consistent. Like these scars, all this stuff that I told you I had on my face literally disappeared. I'm telling you, it was a magic. Now I'm screaming. It worked. Just accept that. Take that from me. It worked. Another thing I'm going to be recommending that I do, like I said earlier, everything I'm telling you today are the things that I did personally and that I do, right? If you want the best result, my suggestion and my recommendation is for you to do this therapy overnight. Overnight. I cannot overemphasize that. So let's say you're going to bed and you want to shower. So you shower, you make sure your skin is clean, like I said earlier, and then you're going to apply this thing and go to bed. This thing is like carrot is the natural stuff. So it's not as if it's going to give you any reaction or something. Of course, I don't know, because it's natural does not mean some people might not react to it. So you have to make sure you discontinue if you think that you're having a form of reaction to this carrot. But most importantly, it's natural, and I want to believe that nobody will react to it. So the best advice, one of the best tips that worked for me, this should actually have been my first tip. Try to do it overnight. So you do it the night before and then you go to bed with it. You go to bed with it, yes. So before you get on your bed, make sure, before you get in bed, make sure you make sure the water, the carrot water is really dried. And then once it's dried, then you can go in bed, you can go sleep and then wait till the next morning before you rinse it off. Trust me, right there you're going to see the results. So like I said, please be consistent and you will definitely see the results. So please let me know if you're going to try this out, or if you have tried it out before. I'm hearing this from me. Let me know if it actually worked for you. And like I said earlier, please, before you use this carrot, please make sure to read more about it online. There are a lot of resources you can tap from to check the benefits of doing this on your skin, using the carrot on your skin, and even consuming carrot as a vegetable. I mean, it's something, I don't believe it's going to harm anybody's skin. So you can try it out and let me know, please. I would like to hear from you. Let us glow together. Please let us glow together. Make sure to try it. And like I said, very importantly, please follow my tips. Those are honestly, I just wish, like I said, that I should have shown you the before and after of what my face looked like before the carrot therapy and what my face looked like after I was consistently doing the carrot therapy on my skin. So if you want to prove this to be true, all you just need to do is try. Try and see if it's going to work for you. But if you think you are reacting to it, please stop use immediately. Please, I'll beg of you. Please stop use immediately. But please let me know if you're going to try it. And when you try it, if it works for you and all of that, please let me know. I would really like to hear from you. What do you think? Oh, let me know what other suggestions you have. I know there are other ways you can mix some stuff into your carrot and make you like glow them more. But this basic ingredient is what I have used before, and it has really helped me. It has worked for me, and I didn't have to break the bank. And as you can see, my skin glow with pride. Yes, you also can achieve a flawless skin. So I really want to thank you again for staying with me. I hope you learned one or two things. I hope I made my points clear enough to be understood. Thank you so much again for tuning in, and I would love to hear you again. I mean, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and please turn on your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I have new videos uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Until I see you again, by God's grace, please keep safe. Bye.